It's another day at the site trying to get my daily cash out. In the middle of getting things done, guess who called me? The popular Gadus. No be Gadus with that. We exchanged pleasantries and he told me, Toyo, I don't cast. My JK was just everywhere. Everybody now identify me with the car. I saw the car and I have small change left from the car that I bought. I was keen to introduce it to no ease to him. And I told him, with 3 million naira initial deposit, you can actually own a plot here and spread the balance for 12 months. He was so excited and he shouted, Toyo, now your jam at the year. Bro, this is not time for music. This is strictly business. Call in, buy it to no ease today and be like Gadus.
I will.